Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I want to share a new product I just picked up. This will work for pretty much any vehicle, which I like. So it's customizable. It's not just for one vehicle. And right now it's priced for under $50 and it will offer some great protection. So let me go ahead and show you what I just picked up here. So it's a universal cargo mat. I like the texture a lot on this. Has a nice grippy back. Non-slip design here. And like I said, what's nice about this is it's designed to be cut. So you just lay it in to your vehicle. You can use it on sedans, SUVs, and then you just cut it with a pair of scissors where you want it. And it has those little lines so you can easily make it uniform on both sides. And for, like I said, for under $50, it offers a lot of protection. And it'll be customizable with what you use. So if you use a third row in your vehicle a lot, then you can cut it accordingly. If you don't use it a lot, you can leave it longer so it covers the third row. So let me go ahead and show you in the MDX here kind of what you can do with it. So I just threw it in here, and as you can see, it's a good fit right off the bat. But then you see the sides here. You would just line it up to where you want it. And then you can take a razor blade or scissors and you just cut it right along the seam here, and it'll be a perfect fit. And you can just follow the curve however you want to do it. So it'd be a perfect fit on this car. And like I said, if you use the third row a lot, you can cut it shorter so it'll just sit right behind the third row. If you want to use a sedan, you can cut it accordingly, which I like. And right now it's $45.99. Like I said, I like it a lot. You can fold it up, put it out of the way. Super grippy, it won't go anywhere. But I do like that. So if you don't want to buy the one size fits all, this is a great option. So check the link in the description, guys. Like I said, it's $45.99 right now. I'll put two links. One's the Amazon store and one's the official website, depending on where you want to buy it from. But it'll do a great job. Doesn't take up a lot of room. You know, what's nice about this too is you can use it in multiple cars. So if you buy one specific for a vehicle, it has to stay in that vehicle. So if you don't want to drop a ton of money, you can buy this and switch it out for different vehicles. And like I said, you can really customize it, which I like, because a lot of the OEM ones are kind of a pain if you're using the third row in vehicles like this. You have to kind of shove them out of the way or not use them at all. It's not really designed for that. Where this, if you're always carrying people in the third row, just cut it shorter and it looks to place. This doesn't look like something that you just kind of made work. This one being trimmable will fit nicely however you want it to fit. You just have to use a razor blade, and it has the marks on it where you can get it lined up perfect. So I just want to share that with you guys. If you haven't seen them, please check them out. I think you'd like that. Like I said, it's something that doesn't break the bank and it'll protect your vehicle. It's a main thing, because you don't want to spill anything on the carpet, and especially in like trunk areas or any vehicle really, because if you've ever had to clean the carpet off these vehicles, it's almost impossible. It'll show wear marks really quick if you rub on it. So the best thing to do is just protect it, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Maybe they'll help you guys out. Again, check the links in the description. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.